How to reset your Trading212 password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you suddenly can't remember your login password on Trading212, then here's how you can easily get back into your account smoothly. First of all, launch open the Trading212 application on your device, or you may also visit the official website. And in the sign in area, you need to go ahead and enter your email and password. Simply go ahead and tap on the forgot password link, which will take you to this pop-up. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure to type in your email and only your email, not anyone else's. And make sure to type in the email that is associated with your account and click on Request New Password. Now on the next page, you'll receive an email with an instruction. Go ahead and check your email inbox. Open the email from Trading212 and click on Change Password. You'll be taken to this page where you can enter a new password and set it for your account. Enter the new password in the field. Make sure to create a strong password, including these criteria at the bottom. And finally, click Save. Once you click on Save, your password will be changed. Now you can log back into your account again by entering your email and the newly updated password in the password field. And you'll be able to sign into your account just like that. Now, you can continue trading without any issues. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.